Chainsaw Man, all endings, let's get right into it. It's another requested video. I usually don't do endings, mostly because of the visuals, but what we've seen from the top 100 endings, Chainsaw Man actually quite a bit cooking, so let's jump in. Make sure to like this video, and if you want to support me or see the early access, full reaction, stuff like that, Patreon will be linked in the description. With that being said, click and... Holy hell. Okay. Holy shit. Oh my god. Chainsaw Man cooking with the visuals, animation, music, openings, endings, what the f- Okay. Oh my god. Also, there's 12 openings. I thought there's only one season, so like opening for one every... I cannot focus. There are one opening or one ending for every episode, or maybe something like that. If that's the case, holy hell. Wait a minute, what is this language? Well, anyway, I'm gonna turn it off. Bloody hell. That's bloody lovely. Not gonna lie, I kinda low-key want to read the manga, but I am a little bit scared to read the manga because I'm gonna spoil the anime, and I wanna react to it in the future. This was fire. Okay. I liked it. I like that voice. Okay. What a different switch, right? Like the first one. Okay. I thought maybe I'm gonna like jinx it, but... Like two opposite worlds when it comes to the ending music. It's still beautiful. This guy. Aim the umbrella. Kinda my favorite though. Nice. I like that ending. Doom. We back. We are so back. Oh my god. Holy sh... What's going on? What is this ending? It's like three different music combined into the one. One more time. Okay, I assume this is another one. Okay. I usually don't like to react to endings because not every ending is like very like appealing to me, but the Chainsaw Man cooking. They cooking with literally everything. What the heck? Okay, maybe not with the visuals here, but it makes sense. Yet, the music is still very nice. I was trying to figure out what it is. No. This character, when it comes to female characters in this anime, she's probably my favorite one. She looks the most interesting. This. She looks good in every dress, god damn. Okay. And another one. There has to be some... Okay. It's like Inception. Very interesting animation. There's so much blood in this anime. It's insane. What the... What is happening with these endings? Oh. Literally, like every single ending is amazing. Okay, yeah, keep cooking. More. Okay, yeah. I could listen to this all over. Wait a minute, was this bullet? Okay, it looks like a... You know what I mean. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Keep cooking. And... Okay, not yet. I like it. I like that. I hope it's a guitar, so I'm not making myself fool. Either way, I don't care. That guitar is so nice. What did I just see? What just happened there? Well, this is amazing. We are halfway there. Okay, another one. What's going on? It's a cute voice. Keep cooking. Ooh. Okay, I'm back. What am I watching? This is so unique, and I'm so much for it. I love it. That's hot. Keep cooking! Holy shit! Okay, I love it. I think this show has probably one of the best openings, if not the best. Okay. I like that atmosphere. So much energy in this song. It like makes me sweating. A lot of sexy chick, a lot of blood, fights. I'm in. Okay. It feels like we are switching from really like high intense music to something like middle, like cozy, and then again and again. If I don't see the blood, I would say this is a song about love. What is this? Is this rope or some like weird blood veins? Okay. Really nice voice. I cannot comment the visuals that much. I assume this is a really nice blood. Deep. I like it. Very cozy. What we got next? I like it immediately, like 3 seconds in. I like it more, 5 seconds in. This is so cozy. Okay. This song literally has like 3 faces, I would say. And here we go again. I think I'm gonna repeat myself all over. Chainsaw Man endings, they keep cooking. So beautiful. Did he say violence? It kinda sounds like it, right? Violence! Okay, bring it on. A little bit moody, I like it. It's so addicting. Bing. Yeah, I think if you describe the Chainsaw Man with one word, violent. Oh, who is this guy? This one. Is it blood? It does look like it. Okay. I assume this might be the last one. The toilet scene. Ooh. Romance? Maybe bromance? Okay. I would say this song, assuming this is the last episode of the season, it kind of fits the vibes perfectly. You know, sometimes when I'm seeing these scenes, I would like to be in an anime world. Oh, okay. Look at this food. Yamato beer. All of these characters looks really nice. Especially her. This was really cozy, the last one. I would say, if I have to sum all the endings, I haven't heard a single one that I personally didn't like at all. Obviously, I've made a couple of reactions where I listened to endings. Somewhere kinda okay, fine, somewhere rather nice. But I would say the Chainsaw Man, it's literally one of the best endings I've literally heard in my entire life. Maybe I didn't heard enough endings. So far, what I've seen, what I've heard, the Chainsaw Man is literally on the top spot. I don't know if there are 12 episodes, but one ending for every single episode. Kudos to the guys who've been cooking this music. I really enjoyed it, hope you as well. If you did, make sure to like this video, and perhaps see you next time. Take care.